Welcome to part 3 of this video, and as you guys know, it's just easier to do, or looks easier to do than it truly is. Whenever you're trying to do something on camera, it's always trickier somehow. Maybe I just put it on backwards. Let's try the other way. It went in a lot easier with the buttons facing upwards. So maybe it was supposed to be packaged that way. And since we're doing that, we might as well put all the other good stuff in there. Maybe it'll fit. Let's see how we can make all of this stuff fit in nicely. Come on. Do not want to mess the wires up. And this looks really easy.
Likey.